tintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. I'm following your footprints in the sand, to walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world.